Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. We are inside the house. Don't look too closely because we have some renovations going on. Yep, love the house. Needs a little paint, so I'm working on that. But notice, 1 and 2, we have the best viewers in the history of YouTube because these people send me things for my car. Don't even ask for it, and they send it. What's in the box? We're gonna find out! Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yep, we had to back that camera all the way up. Back that thing up. Okay, first box. I want to say thank you to Mark right here. Look at this, Mercedes-Benz genuine parts. What would Mark have sent that we need? Okay, I will tell you that both of these items are for the S63 AMG. Yep, and I don't want to show you my address either. Although, if you send me cool things, I might give you my address. No, I'm kidding. Totally kidding. Anyway, Mark saw that I had purchased the car, and he came up and he saw the car. Well, I actually took the car to Oklahoma City to see him at the dealer there, and he noticed something was missing. What could it be? What could it be? You ready? Here we go. Mercedes likes to pack stuff. They like to pack it up. This is really great. And I got a little tube of something. What is that? I don't know what that is. Paste? Brake paste. I got some brake paste for my intake hose. Yeah, for the S63 AMG. Mark, thank you very much. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Actually, I bought this. He gave me a good price on it, so I bought it, and we're going to put this on. Okay, so that's one of the two things that we're going to do in the video today. Now, this other box comes all the way from, let me look at the address here without knocking over the camera. This is from Sweden. It's from Sweden. Yes, I have viewers from all over the world. Don't know why they watch, but I'm glad each and every one of them does. But this is from Chris at MBSCA Shop. We're going to put a link in the description because this guy saw the S63 AMG. He saw that we needed some parts for it, and he offered to send it to us for free. Mark, my new best friend. Okay, the link, website, right here. We're going to put it right there. And everybody who needs Mercedes parts from Sweden, especially these parts right here, go to the website and please buy from Mark because he was so nice. And there's a surprise in here too. I don't know what it is, but there is a surprise. So let's kind of figure out what's going on here, okay? I don't know what's in the smaller box, but we're going to find out. And we're going to be very, very happy, whatever it is. Oh, don't want to show my address. Okay, let's just kind of see what's going to happen here. We're going to open this up. Mark, he saw the video. He saw that there were some issues with the car, and immediately he responded. And this is the result. I offered to buy. He said, nope, I got it. I like to watch your videos. So we're going to just kind of open this thing up without killing myself. They pack packages very well in Sweden. Yes, they do. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Here we go. All right, here we go. What could this be? What could it be? I think I know what these are. Okay. You ready for this? Yeah. You recognize these? Do you see them? Look at that one right there. See? There you go. Now you know what they are. Yeah. Chris specializes in all kinds of cool things for Mercedes. Steering wheel buttons included. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so this must be the surprise. I don't know what this is, but he said he was going to send me something, and he thought I would like it, and I don't know how to open it. So let's just kind of see. Oh, here we go. Yep, we're going to go here. We're going to go here. And Sweden, you guys, you know how to pack. You're kidding me. Okay, this guy has the best eye in the history of eyeballs. Okay, let me show you this. Look at this. Yes. Okay. Now, he has the best eye because on my car, these little things right here, it's coming loose. The paint is coming loose, so it's kind of crinkled. But look, you made my whole month. Thank you very, 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 very much. All right, this was, oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to reimburse him. I gotta do something because I don't wanna know how much this part is. I don't wanna know, but I think I wanna see what this is right here. Okay, this must be some kind of a invoice or something. Maybe he is no, he's not gonna bill me for this. Yeah. Okay. Here it is. Oh, he called it a car styling kit. Okay, Mark. Chris. Yeah, Christian. Christian, we'll call him Chris. My new best friend, Chris. Yeah, he called this a car styling kit. That's how much he said they were worth, $10 and $12. For $22. Okay, this part has got to be at least a couple hundred, at least. Okay, I will kind of research this and let you know. And I can tell you that the buttons, come here buttons. Where'd the buttons go? Here they are, right here. These, I want to say, are almost 200. Yes, look at that. So, Mark, Christian, Chris, love it, love it, love it. Let's go to work and put them on the car. There she is in all of her beauty. Yep, all of her glory. No, I have to apologize because we have had snow and ice. Last week, it was literally 14 degrees below zero, okay? Today, 1 week later, it's gonna be 63, okay? So that means we've had ice, we've had all kinds of things on the road, and she hasn't had a bath. But that's okay. She's gonna get one today because I'm loving her even more now that we have these new parts, okay? So let's kind of open up the hood and I'll show you where the hose goes. Come on. It's hard to do with one hand. There it is. Okay. So this is the issue. Mark saw this immediately. So quickly. He said, well, I'll just get one for you. And I said, well, tell me how much it is. And he said, well, I'll give you the good price on it. So Mark, very, very, very happy to get this from you. So basically, when you put these on, super easy. Okay, not that big of a deal. I just don't want to break anything else. Okay. That may have cracked. Oops. Okay, so we'll get this off. We'll put the new one on. Hold on. And these kind of just sit under here. Okay. I know I should have taken that top part off, but I'm so excited to put this on. I can't wait. Okay, well, that was fun. Yeah, the top part does have to come off. It's very, very tight, the fit right there, but look how much nicer that is. And this just attaches with two clips there, and then one in the front and one on the side. So you very carefully position this, give it a little whack, 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 and look how much nicer. Look at that. Love it, love it, love it. All right, you can see we're inside the car. Look at that. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. Low tire pressure. Yep, I got to check that out. But to remove, okay, these are the buttons. See how gross these are? Look at that. What a great eye. Yes, what a great eye to see that. An even better eye to see this. Can you see? Look at that. Look how unsightly that is. And he noticed that immediately. Immediately. And he sent this for free. Okay, to get this off, I'm understanding that all of this has to come off. I'm thinking that whole front piece, which basically terrifies me. It really, really does. I don't want to crack it. Most of my other cars have cracked wood because they're old and they're very inexpensive. This one is so nice, I don't want to hurt it. So I'm going to have to really figure out how to do this the correct way. I don't want to mess it up. I really, 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 really do not want to mess it up. We're going to focus on this. And of course, like any Mercedes airbags, usually it's a T27. There are two holes right back here on either side. You can insert this. You got to have a pretty good finger strength to get this to turn, okay? But see how I'm pushing it? It's coming out already. Yep. So what I usually do is start the car because you want to maneuver the steering wheel. Okay, so you turn it, and you turn it on one side, and then once you get that one loose, what I do, I put it like this because these are in your way, and I tack it from underneath, from the downside, okay? We're going to get this off, and I'll show you what lies beneath. I don't want to take the airbag out. I really don't want to because I don't know what's all involved in connecting it again. Like I said, these W221s, they're new to me. I love them. They scare me to death. They really, really do. They scare me to death. Okay, we're going to get this off, and I'll show you what we're up against next. Okay, this just popped right off. Super easy, super easy. What I'm planning on doing, I've already kind of removed this to give me a little bit more room. Okay, then we have this, which goes out to the buttons. Okay, left, right, ugly, uglier, dumb and dumberer. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. Okay, push down on that, and it just slides right out. Okay, hopefully this will give me enough room to access the little screws that hold on the buttons. There they are right there. Okay, teeny tiny. Woo! Those are small. Okay, let's see what size those are, and then we'll take them off, okay? Yeah. I don't want to put too much pressure right here either. Okay, we're going to be very gentle. All right, we have the tiniest of the tiny little tools. Tiny town here. Okay, here I have my little tool set. Okay, and it's the next to smallest little Torx drill bit I have, not drill bit, little bit I have ever seen. Focus, focus, focus. Look at how tiny that is. And it just takes, it's for these little screws right there. Okay, there's 3 screws. There's one right there. Okay, so what you do, carefully insert this. You're going to turn it. You're not going to pull the wires off. You're not going to explode an airbag. And you're going to take off these 3 little buttons. Okay, you don't have to watch me do that. You know how good I am at unscrewing. I stand corrected. Yep, look at the yucky, yucky, yucky. Okay, so the white goes on the top, but this thing is attached to that. So that means I have 3 more screws. I get to screw more. Who doesn't enjoy that? Yeah. Okay, we'll get this off, and then we'll compare the two. Look at the difference. Look how much of a difference this is going to make. Okay, yep, there's all your controls right there. And this little guy is attached. And this little guy right here, even him, yeah, see how ugly? Yeah, very, very ugly. So let's out with the old. Ready for sound effects? And we'll put the new one in. Ready for something wonderful and great? Yeah, you want to see? Yep, we were very careful with this. And look. Oh, look at how gorgeous. Look at how gorgeous. Okay, so we're going to plug this in right here. Okay, every dog in the neighborhood is now screaming. Every single dog. Okay, that's attached. Everything is attached. We're going to put this right here. And then we're going to sit back and go, ooh. Ah, look at the difference. Okay, there's the old. Here is the new. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Gotta tell you what. Yep. Christian from Sweden, you are the man. Thank you so very much. I love it. So everybody, please go check out his website. We'll put the link in the description below. Next up, maybe I'll do this, maybe I won't. I'm going to try to figure out how this comes off without cracking it so I can replace this. All right, thanks to Christian, we're getting a new vent system right there. We are inside now for the operation. Yep, this is a T15. We had look at the new one. Look at the shiny, pretty new one. Figure out where all the contact points are, and then we just remove these little bitty screws. Okay, I got to be very careful because once again, I'm so afraid of this wood. So afraid of this wood. So we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 little screws, and then we'll take it out, and then we'll put the new one in. Okay. Well, by Jove, I think we've got it. Yeah, we had to take off this part, okay? Just 1, 2 screws here, 2 screws there. They have little valleys, so your screwdriver can get in there. Okay, look at that, how beautiful. Okay, we're gonna clean this up to get to the vent. There we go, look at that, look how beautiful. That's the old, yucky poo. That's the new. Beautiful. Okay, we're going to take the little clock out somehow. And I think it's just going to clip out. I think so. I think I just see 2 little clips. Okay, to get the clock out, I believe you're just going to push on this. This little clock is a PETA to get out of here. Okay, I had to take the silver part off. I had to remove this. I can't even get the wire undone from that. So we're just going to go with it. Okay, basically it's got 2 clips right here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 12 and 6, 12 and 6. It's going to go like this. It's going to go like that. So I'm trying to put the clock in upside down. That's why you take things slowly. You don't want to put the clock in upside down. Holy guacamole. Okay, there we are. Now it should just kind of slide. Okay, that was good. That was good. Okay, now this will go on thusly. And we're just going to line everything up, and hopefully it's going to snap right into place. And that, my friends, is how you go from fiddly to fabulous. Look at that. Looks brand new, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. I cannot thank you enough, Christian. That is Christian, Christ, Christophilus. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you very much. Put a little quick shine on this, and then we'll put it back in the car. It's interesting. When I connected the electrical connector, the clock goes zzz, and it kind of ended up at the right time. The car told the clock what time it was, and it advanced, which was really kind of cool and really kind of scary. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just attach this. We'll put the 3 screws in, and we should be good to go. All right, look how beautiful. Look how gorgeous she looks. Look at that, and oh my gosh. No! What happened? What happened? Dag nabbit. This part came up when I put it. Oh my gosh. And right on cue, there's the trash can, you guys. All right, we're back. Sums up my life right there. Yep. Sums up everything about my life. I think I'm done, and then something is screwed up, and I got to start over again. Yeah. That's not right. That is not right. Dag nabbit. All right. Well, now that we know how to do it, yeah, we get to do it again tomorrow. Love it. Love it. Love it. Hate it. Yep. 2.5 hours of my life right there. We're going to relive it. Yay, Mike. That's why you always have to look at it before you really reattach it. Okay. Well, at least we got some parts, and I'm loving the parts. And so, Christian, thank you so much. Mark, thank you so much. I really, really, really love this. And it's going to be perfect when I take it off and make it perfect. Ha! All right. Folks, thanks for watching. I'm sorry again it's been so long since I've done a video, but it's really been negative 14. And I don't want to come out here and do stuff in a car when it's negative 14 degrees. So we're going to call this another video for the S63 AMG. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Appreciate that. Send me your love. Send me your prayers, because I get to do this over again. All right. Bye, everybody. Monkey. See you later. Okay, we're back with a quick update. Yep, I went ahead and I took it apart again, one more time, and it took me 30 minutes. And look what I did. I put it back the right way. Look how nice. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, so we have completed another fix on the S63 AMG. Thank you very much, Chris. I certainly appreciate that. And I have a big correction. Mark is actually John. Duh. Yeah, Mike is doing the morning show and the noon show, and he's averaging 3 to 4 hours of sleep every night. So that's why his brain is just toast. Anyway, so John, I apologize for calling you Mark. Chris, I apologize for calling you Mark. I don't even know a Mark, do I? I have no Mark. Yeah, sorry. Okay, but we have it fixed, and look how gorgeous it is. Look at that. It's beautiful, beautiful. So thank you guys very, very much.